My name is Mark Room. I'm an area sales manager for Amada UK.
And my name's Paul Malone and I'm the machine sales assistant manager for the UK.
We currently have a vast range of customers ranging from aerospace suppliers, automotive suppliers, catering, general subcontracts and of course manufacturing. Amada have been making lasers for many years. We released the first laser in 1980. We were the first manufacturer to make the machine and Fibre engine as one, and have worked continually to improve the Fibre laser technology. Thwaites have chosen the 12 kilowatt NSYS Fibre laser, complete with storage tower. Paul, can you tell us some of the unique features about the NSYS machine?
Thanks, Mark. So what makes the NSYS unique is its variable beam control unit. So what this allows us to do, not only change the diameter of the beam, but it also lets us control the beam mode. This means that when we're cutting thinner material, we can use a high density beam to cut really quick through thin material, and within an instant we can change to a more CO2 style beam and thicker for cutting thicker plate. But this is not just on and off, it's a stepless process. So we can do this automatically across a full range of material, and it does it automatically so the operator doesn't have to do anything. The NC unit changes to suit the material that Thwaites are cutting. So our NSYS Fibre laser range comes high spec as standard. We have the Amada 3i controller, which is a nice big screen and easy to use. We have our automatic nozzle changer, we have an X-axis scrap conveyor, barcode reader, compressed air cutting, and all these functions are designed to help the operator and to make as many processes as automatic as possible. We've also got our new V-monitor camera, which records inside the machine, so the operator can play back through the footage, and if there has been any issues, can watch the footage to try and work out what's happened, or contact our hotline, and through our IoT support, they can also view the footage to help them get back up and running as soon as possible. So we've talked about the laser, but the other aspect of the machine cell is our automatic storage load-unload tower. So this allows for raw material to be loaded into the tower, processed through the laser, and then unloaded onto unload pallets, meaning that Thwaites can load up a long schedule, and through the single lens processing, automatic nozzle changer, means they can process through tons and tons of material without intervention from the operator. One of the other unique features about the ASLUL is its relatively small footprint. It also allows for the cutting pallet to come out to the front. So if the customer has an offcut, they can place the offcut onto the pallet, interrupt a schedule run, maybe it's a rush job, and then resume back into their long-running schedule.
The NSYS 12 kilowatts will vastly increase the production output for processing materials with nitrogen, with cutting speeds up to 600% quicker than a conventional CO2 laser machine. At the same time, a 70 to 80% reduction in running costs.
Our NSYS 12 kilowatt actually allows us to cut up to 15mm mild steel with nitrogen, and this just means we can reduce secondary operations, which in turn reduce costs. For the thicker mild steel, we can use our new Eco Wax technology. So this sprays a fine mist of water over the sheet, meaning that it increases stability and also drastically reduces the bevel on thicker mild steel parts.
Thwaites chose Amada for the advanced technology offered by the NSYS Fibre laser machine. This, coupled with the productivity and flexibility offered by the tower.
One other big aspect was our service department. We've got over 60 strategically placed engineers for a rapid response for a breakdown. This, coupled with our hotline and IoT remote support, means that if Thwaites do have an issue, we can respond really quickly and get them up and running as soon as possible.
So there you have it, the latest addition to the automation of the factory here in Leamington Spa, the Amada 12,000. You know, we went through a proper full due diligence about who to partner with for this latest laser cutting machine, and obviously we chose Amada at the end. We chose them because it improves automation, it improves productivity, and you know, we can produce more than we produced before by using less energy, so it's great for the environment. So we'll see those benefits as a business, the environment will benefit, and so will Thwaites customers, owners and operators.